PNC Virtual Wallet, a great example. How many of you in the audience have any children who've gone to university recently? So you know this situation very well. I call it co-managing your finances with your student. Co-managing means you put the money in the account and they take it out. And PNC developed a great way of creating a collaborative application with things like online alerts and the ability to collaboratively manage finances, to have those finances connect to back-end financial systems in the bank to allow drillable charts and sortable grids, a new way of looking at the financial picture that worked in a metaphor that the 21-year-old understood and the 48-year-old could learn to understand. It's a great application and one that was an early adopter in this area of the customer-driven enterprise and a new approach to application design. i3Q in the area of life sciences transformed the nature of clinical trials to create a completely integrated system involving projects, data information, site management, collaboration among investigators and researchers and life sciences funders to truly transform the way we think about what was formerly a black box clinical trial, only accessible to the most highly trained regulatory officials in an organization. Cisco developed the content intelligence platform for managing system integration, for managing systems and monitoring, and for making sure that everybody in the organization, beyond the admins, had access to how the network was behaving at any particular time. Even more interesting than any of these, in terms of its incorporation of real-time and audio and video and streaming and connections with dedicated back-end systems, was Morgan Stanley's Matrix, a new real-time trading platform that involved retail brokers, their customers, and financial management people to help provide a completely new and different experience around how to think about financial management, co-managing your finances with your broker, giving visibility across the line from the provider to the broker, provider of the product to the broker to the end consumer. All of these were great examples of early innovation, what we at Adobe are calling this customer-driven enterprise, this different approach to enterprise application design. It leverages, as you can see in many of these examples, the investment of the past. We're not taking the enterprise software systems that people have built for years and throwing them in the garbage. We're saying there's a huge opportunity to leverage these, but to design that last mile of application interface between the user and the system in a completely different way.